Hello and welcome to Charlie's Desk. Today I wanted to talk about laundry. I'm here in my laundry room. The camera is pointed at a big sort of, industrial type washing machine that you would find in the basement of an apartment building, which is where I am. And I don't really want to get into the accessibility of the machine, but I wanted to talk about a detergent that you can use that's easier to measure. Measuring liquid detergent is always a pain in the butt. It's even more difficult if you're blind or visually impaired, just because it's not particularly designed that well. One nice thing that people can use without having to measure is just laundry pods. You can throw those in, and this product is kind of similar to that. It's soap that comes in the form of a sheet. It's almost like a sheet of flexible paper, and you just throw it into the drum of the washing machine like I just did, and then you're done. And so this product is called ECOSNext laundry detergent. It's liquidless laundry detergent. It comes in a little box, and then inside the box there's like a plastic tray with a lid. It's got 50 of these sheets. And yeah, I just thought that since sometimes like measuring liquid detergent is annoying and stupid, and maybe not everybody wants to use laundry pods because those are kind of weird, this is just nice. It's dry to the touch. It's like a little sheet of paper, and then you just throw it into the barrel of the washing machine, and hopefully you've got that marked or it's accessible with your phone. So yeah, this has been Charlie's Desk with a product idea. Bye. Have a good one.